Hello, welcome back to another video. Today's video I'm going to take you along my Saturday evening. And I'm going to fold some clothes. I will also be making donuts. Finally, I'll be making dinner. I think that's all about today's video. Please stick around until the end. And in case you are new here, my name is Yulkista. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you so much for coming. Guys, in this channel we do love visitors. So guys, don't subscribe and go. Just subscribe and you always come back to watch my video. So guys, stick until the end and let's start the video. So I'm starting this video by folding some clothes. I had these clothes and I decided to fold them before I start my work. So after folding these clothes, I'm going to prepare donuts. I think that is what I'm going to prepare immediately after I'm done with these clothes.
Cause I can't see you anywhere. Cause I don't wanna know, I swear I should go, no, I don't wanna let you down. You just wanna know how far I will go, cause you know I will stay around. So let me know where to go. So let me know where to go. I wanna find you. Cause I can't see you anywhere. Cause I don't wanna know, I swear I should go, no, I don't wanna let you down. You just wanna know how far I will go, cause you know I will stay around. So let me know where to go. So let me know where to go. I wanna find you. Cause I can't see you anywhere. Cause I don't wanna know, I swear I should go, no, I don't wanna let you down. You just wanna know how far I will go, cause you know I will stay around. So let me know where to go. So let me know where to go. I wanna find you.
So I'm done with the clothes. Right here I just want to make a donuts, and as you can see my dough is ready. So guys, let's start making our donuts. And please remember to leave a comment after watching, to subscribe if you haven't, and you can share the video out if you can.
Alone inside a crowd. Cause I can't see you anywhere.
I do enjoy making donuts, yeah, because it's not hard to make. Yeah, it's very easy as long as you know the ingredients that you are going to use, then your donuts would be just okay. So right here I'm just cutting, yeah, these donuts. Yeah, I'm making the shapes. As you can see, that's how I do it. And yeah, as you can see, and it will just give me the best shape. Yeah guys, that is how I do it. As long as I'm making donuts, yeah, that's how I go with it. Yeah, look at that shape, very nice one. So I'll just go on and on until I'm done with it. Yeah, so continue watching as I make these donuts.
Alone inside a crowd, 'cause I can't see you anywhere. 'Cause I don't wanna know where I should go, no, I don't wanna let you down. You just wanna know how far I will go, 'cause you know I won't stay around. So let me know where to go. So let me know where to go.
Guys, I'm going to use my fingers to make the hole. Is it hole, wherever, but nishimo, yeah, because I don't have a donut cutter. Yeah, but this one also will give me the best shape. Yeah guys, stick around and you will see how my donuts will be.
They brought me alive, but got no alibi. It's a lover's fight without an alibi. You took my hands without an alibi. Smoking gun, you got me on the run. We know that will come. We're out up till dawn, but how can I hide you without an alibi? It's a lover's fight without an alibi. Took my innocence. I can't wait no longer. I'm playing with the monsters. Everything that brought me alive. Oh, we're all like monsters, playing with the monsters. They brought me alive, but got no alibi. It's a lover's fight without an alibi. You took my hands without an alibi.
Finally, our donuts are ready. Yeah, looking yummy, delicious, as you can see. Yeah, though they are big in size, but I was the one who decided so. And we are going to have it tomorrow. This one is for breakfast tomorrow being a Sunday. So I decided to make this one because my kids will be around and they will be so happy. So guys, after this I'm going to prepare dinner, and today's dinner I'm going to prepare ugali, eggs and sukuma wiki. Yeah, that is what we are going to have for dinner today. And right here I'm trying to prepare eggs. Yeah, this side I'm preparing eggs, and the other side I'm trying to make is it a sauce or wherever, I don't know, but I'm trying to prepare onions mixed with tomatoes. Yeah, and later I'll just mix it together. I don't know how you go about it. Yeah, but some they do mix them together. With me, I do them separately and I will mix them later. So that is how I prepare my eggs. You can share with me in the comment section down below, how do you go about these eggs.
The detail lingered inside. Oh, a holy crime. But how can I monsters. Everything that brought me alive. Going around like monsters, playing with the monsters. They brought me alive, but got no alibi.
So our eggs are ready. Yeah, as you can see, they are yummy. Yeah, guys, right here, I just want to prepare my skuma week, and I do prefer my skuma week being with onions alone. Yeah, I don't like tomatoes in my skuma week, but some do like. Yeah, you can share with me in the comment section down below. How do you go about skuma week? How do you prepare it? Do you use tomatoes or onions? Yeah, but with me, I do prefer onions alone. Yeah, because like right now I use a lot of tomatoes in my eggs, so I don't want to put again another tomato in my skuma wiki. Yeah, so that is it. And right here I just want to prepare ugali. Yeah, for those people who don't understand ugali, what's ugali? Yeah, ugali is a mixture of water and maize flour. Yeah, that is our Kenyan staple food. Yeah, most of our families, we do love ugalis. Yeah, but some they don't. Yeah, so that is it. Hope that you are enjoying the video till this far. So continue watching till the end.
Took my innocence. I can't wait no longer. I'm playing with the monsters. Everything that brought me alive. Going around like monsters, playing with the monsters. They brought me alive, but got no alibi. It's a rebel's fight without an alibi. Took my innocence without an alibi.
Guys, our dinner is finally here. As you can see, looking yummy, delicious, and yeah, that's what I can describe this food. Yeah, and this is it for today's dinner. Yeah, from here I'm going to clean my dishes. Yeah, because I'm used to clean the dishes immediately after our dinner. Yeah, because especially that tomorrow being a Sunday, I don't want to wake up, I find my kitchen in a mess. Yeah, I just want to rest, and I'll just wake up at any time that I'll feel like, because whenever I just wake up, I'll have to make tea. Yeah, remember I made donuts, and yeah, that is it. So guys, if you know that you have not give this video a thumbs up, go back and give this video a thumbs up, then come back and continue watching this video till the end.
The devil's in the detail, lingered inside. Oh, a holy crime. But how can I hide you without an alibi? It's a rebel's fight without an alibi. You took my innocence. I can't wait no longer. I'm playing with the monsters. Everything that brought me alive. Going around like monsters, playing with the monsters. They brought me alive, but got no alibi. It's a rebel's fight without an alibi. You took my innocence without an alibi. 'cause I can't see you anywhere. 'Cause I don't wanna know, I swear I should go, no, I don't wanna let you down. You just wanna know how far I will go, 'cause you know I won't stay around. So let me know where to go. So let me know where to go. I wanna find you. I wanna find you. Alone inside a crowd, 'cause I can't see you anywhere. 'Cause I don't wanna know, I swear I should go, no, I don't wanna let you down. You just wanna know how far I will go, 'cause you know I won't stay around. So let me know where to go. So let me know where to go. I wanna find you. I wanna find you.
Let me take this chance to welcome my new subscribers. Welcome and welcome again to my YouTube channel, and thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much for coming. In this channel we do love visitors. Please just feel most welcome. Yeah, and for my premier gang, thank you so much for always being around to support my channel. God bless you and bless you with your channels. So guys, let's continue watching until the end.